Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple and effective way to save storage space on your iPhone by compressing your pictures into smaller sizes and zip files. If you're like most people, you'll notice that photos take up a very large portion of your iPhone storage. So this method will help you reduce that space significantly, without permanently losing your pictures. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Download an image compressor app. First, go to the App Store and download an image compressor app. There are many image compressor apps available, and honestly, they all work in a very similar way. Some are paid, while others are free. I already have one installed on my phone, so I won't be downloading a new one in this video. You can choose any image compressor app that works for you. Step 2. Open the app and select Images. Once the app is installed, open the image compressor app inside the app. Tap on Compress Images. This option is usually available in all image compressor apps. Now, scroll through your photo library and select the pictures you want to compress. For this particular free app, you can only select 31 images at a time. That means you can compress only 31 pictures per session. Paid versions usually allow you to select more images at once and also remove advertisements. Step 3. Compress the images. After selecting your pictures, tap on Compress. If you're using a free version, you may see some advertisements. You'll need to wait for the ad to finish and then skip it. Once the ad is done, the app will begin compressing your images. After the compression is complete, save the compressed images to your device. Step 4. Delete the original large images. Now, the real storage saving part begins. Go back to the Photos app on your iPhone. You'll now see two versions of the same pictures: the original images that take up more space, and the newly compressed images that take up less space. Select the older, larger images and delete them. After deleting them, remember to go to Recently Deleted and clear them as well, so the storage space is actually free. Step 5. Create a folder in the Files app. Next, open the Files app on your iPhone. Create a new folder and give it any name you like. This folder will be used to store your compressed pictures. Now, go back to the Photos app, select the compressed images, tap on Share, and save them into the new folder you just created. Step 6. Compress the folder into a zip file. Once the images are inside the folder, go back to the Files app, locate the folder you created, then press and hold on it. From the pop-up menu, tap on Compress. Your iPhone will now turn that folder into a zip file, which will reduce the storage space even further. At this point, you're almost done. Step 7. Back up to Cloud or Google Drive. You can now choose to back up the zip file to the cloud or to Google Drive. To do this, press and hold on the zip file. Tap on Share, select Google Drive, and then tap Upload. Once uploaded, your pictures are safely backed up and can be recovered anytime you need them. Optional: clean up or keep the zip file. After backing up, you can delete the compressed images from your Photos app, and also delete the unzipped folder if you no longer need it. You can choose to keep the zip file on your phone, or delete it and rely on your cloud backup. If you ever need the pictures again, you can simply decompress the zip file. Closing. And that's basically how you can save a lot of storage space on your iPhone using the image compression method. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, because I'll be sharing more insightful and helpful content like this going forward.